দেখাচ্ছি তো। So this is because finally reached. Hi guys, I have came for a trip. I forgot to do the video from the starting, so I will take the vlog from now and I will share with you guys the whole total vlog. This is the day one. We have came by road. This was 8 or 9 hours journey. Our bonfire is going on. These are all the people and especially my family. Say hi. Say hi everyone. So the place is mainly in Ayodhya Hill, not exactly the Ayodhya Hill you guys know. It is in the Purulia, the West Bengal one. We are on the hill tonight. There are tents and we are staying on a tents. Other parties are also doing bonfire here. Everyone is doing bonfire like here and there also some bonfire is going on. So this is a little outfit check of mine. और मैं जहाँ जाऊँगी मेरी बहन को तो आना ही है तो आ गया. Hello. Fire is almost over and now we will have our dinner. When we came here they had given us some gamcha, we call it gamcha, as a souvenir. This all are tents side by sides. All the things you can see, this all are tents. This is where we will do our dinner. This is a buffet system kind of things. इधर ये लोग ठंडे में जम गए. इसको क्या कहते हैं तुम जो सर पे पहने हो, इसको क्या कहते हैं? रुमाल टोपी. We will do our dinner here. Our dinner for today. There was options like roti or rice. We chose rice. We are done with our dinner and now a Chhau Nach program is happening there. So we all are going there to see what actually it looks like from our real own eye. They are just so talented. They even making the sound by their own. Look at the guy. He is making sound and playing harmonium on the other hand. We are going to our room because we have plans tomorrow and this is actually a traditional West Bengal's Purulia's dance which actually tells the ancient story of something. Tomorrow, good night for tonight. Hello guys, so I just woke up in the morning and this is what our tent look like. Look at the mountain. It is like 3 or 4 degree air. So these are all the tents. So I just took my bath and this is a khatiya. I'm sitting here. Now I will be ready and then let's see. I got ready and now we will go for our breakfast. This is me and this is my outfit. This is my friend. Hi. Just look at the mountain here. This is the mountain. This is what we are having in breakfast, the puri and all. Forgot to take the video when we started the breakfast. So now called jalebi. We all are done with our breakfast and now we will hop on a car. And I will show you guys the road from where we are going in. Guys, we was on that mountain actually. And we came from that mountain. The whole mountain range we can see and still there are 15 kilometers more to go. This is our driver uncle. Hi bolo. Hi. So from there some cars are going on like that road and we will go on to that road. Reservoir. Now this is closed. Guys, we will just keep our cars here and then we will camp. Okay, so we are now going to see the dam. Guys, look at the cute little animals. So this is the temple we will go on now. Uncle is our group photo manager. Here they all do prayers. And this is our guide uncle. The name of the lake is Kesto Bajal Lake something. So here the photo sessions are going on. For all the things, I'm taking a fridge magnet of Ayodhya Pahad. We will go to the top by car only. So we was at that lake and now we are going up. So we are here at Lahore Dam kind of things. These are all traditional things. These are already in the restricted place and telling us to not to go there. তোমরা কেন গেছো ওখানে? Just give you guys a simple overview of the place. Mom is still busy in buying that things. She is bargaining and bargaining. The uncle is not agreeing with her price. We bought a kulfi and my mom is still bargaining. Bonu, Bonu. Whenever I go to the mountains, I always see these lavender flowers. If anyone know the name, then please comment down below. I don't know the exact name, but I love the flowers colors. Reason के लिए मुंह देख ना इसका, मुंह देख छी. बोनो अपना मुंह दिखा छी. We are actually going on top of the dam. The top of the mountain. We are right now here.
Oh my gosh!
Guys, that things are solar panel. Can you see? So we have came to a different location. Like they will just place the car here in the parking, and we have to go on to the top of the mountain by ours. But we will still go. Look, this is the red soil actually. We have to trek now. पहाड़ ट्रैक करना है हम लोगों को. He has so much energy. I'm too frustrated and tired right now. She has the most energy to go on this kind of trips, okay? Now my halat is like kuch aise. My sister is already there to click photos. Guys, finally I'm on the viewpoint. This is the view from here. I really can't capture the beauty of this place because this is looking so nice, but the dads. So we are going to some falls now. This is a lake and I'm eating some chola kind of things. This is Marble Lake because of all the marbles here. Let's look at the lake. Doing photo shoot. This is what I did to myself because I fall off to the lake right now. So we have to go 504 stairs to reach the waterfall, and this is just 104 number of stairs. My dad is counting it. We have to reach there, and by going like there and there. Phil had also gone there to just click photos. Guys, my dad's had the strength because they all are going downstairs. Finally reached at the bottom for my dad only. But फट गए सच में. Look at the way we came from. But the view is amazing. Guys, my dad is now going there and my mom is panicking. Look at my dad, guys. Adventurous person. Guys, we just came back from our first hour of trip. Now we will have our lunch. Phone battery had totally died, but in the meantime, when my phone was not there, we had so much fun with some little kids of local. We had played some football kind of games. In the meantime, my phone got discharged. That time my phone should have some charge. I should have captured the moment, but that's okay. So right now we will do our lunch and then again we will go for our next hour of trip. Came to my tent. I will just change the upper coat. So I will go now. Bye. This is what we will have for today's lunch. Now we will go some village where they made some traditional kind of thing. Let's just look at the craftiness. She's literally making it by herself. Finally my mom owned in her bargaining skills. So guys, this is called radium color. Look at the color they drew on. We take these kinds of things to give our friends and all. And the little girl here had made all of this. This is a museum of Chou dance. This all mask used in dance, in ancient dance culture in Chou. I don't know, but I'm having that creepy vibe standing here. Like, so guys, we are again going back to our hotel, and then we have some bonfire session. The road from the jungle to our resort is looking like this is really scary. There is nothing from the both side.
जंगल में रात में टायर पंक्चर हो जाएगा ऐसे में.
और ऐसे वाला रोड में. हाँ. और फिर वो पहले बोल रही थी और फिर इधर आके उसका फट गया. We are finally reached here. I will give you guys a tour today. So this is the food place where we eat. All are the staff places where staff stays. These are the playgrounds and the field where they do bonfire and all. ये एक पेतनी झूल रहा है ऊपर से. They are having their own खतरों का खिलाड़ी moment. Okay, guys, the last photo with my sister. She will die in 2 minutes. She's coming down. So they are doing another Khatro Ka Khiladi moment. Let's see who win this race. बोल ना, डर लग गया तेरे को. Guys, now my dad is wild card entry in the Khatro Ka Khiladi station. Love the road in front of it because it's so nice and aesthetic. This is our tent and there is a khatia. Let's go inside our tent. So this is what is so messy, but this is what inside of the tent looks like. And that's the washroom and changing room. Everyone is being ready. The bonfire will go on now and this is my outfit. So this is me and this is my sister. Our bonfire is going on. गाना ही बंद हो गया. Got the gin from my dad. হেলবো না, এতো তলা শুদ্ধ ধরে নিয়েছিস. So our bonfire session just ends and they are still going on the song. We are going for our dinner now. Let's go. This is what we will have. There is a library too. So this is the library. Just one rack of book. The books are all about their tradition and all. That's it for today, guys. Tomorrow we are going back to our home by our car. And on the way we will just view different sites. And that's it. And we are so sleepy, we will sleep now. Good night, bye, see you tomorrow, tata. I just woke up now and this is the day 3. I will go today. Let's go, let's be ready. All ready, guys, and first we will have our breakfast, then we will go. So let's go. This is what we are having for breakfast. So guys, we are going back today. We are again heading back to our tents because they have left their items there and they can't go without it. Guys, they have taken their things. The car is waiting there. Guys, we are saying bye bye to our mountains. Ooh. Say bye. So guys, we have came here to see how their traditional gur made. I don't know what that called in English, but we call it khejur gur. Saw some that field and I want to do some Bollywood kind of photo shoots, so I'm going with my photographer. So that's it for this vlog, guys. See you in the next vlog. We will be in home in next 3 or 4 hours. So bye bye, take care. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.